Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to your girl's channel. So today, as you guys could tell from the title, we're gonna be doing September's Boxyluxe unboxing. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, here we have the famous Boxyluxe. It's obviously, as you can tell, it's bigger than the usual monthly box. This box comes in every 3 months. Alright, so the box is open already. My sister went ahead and opened it to go through the products so she could choose whichever one she wanted. So that's why it's open. I haven't seen what the products are yet, so let's get to it. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open it. As always, it says hello charmers, the hashtag and the @ for BoxyCharm, and we open it. It looks like this. Oh. It has this, and here's the good stuff. Alright, so you can tell guys this video is a little bit different because I'm outside, so hopefully the lighting is good. But of course they always send this little card. In the back it has all the products that are in the box and a little description and price of those products, and the theme is a road trip, I guess. So I'm gonna go through the products by the order it's in the little postcard. I call it postcard. So yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 products are in this box, and from the look of it, I think I'm gonna like this box. So we're gonna put this box here, and the first product is Kate's Somerville Exfoliate Intense Exfoliating Treatment. So this exfoliating treatment is formulated to visibly transform texture and pours in 2 minutes. So yep, it's this one right here, this box right here, and it's intensive exfoliating treatment because in 2 minutes it gets it done. So this is it. I mean, it's pretty small. It's a 2 ounce. It has the instructions, AM or PM. You could use this at night or in the morning. I mean, for me, I'll probably use it at night or in the morning and just stay inside for a while, just in case, you know, because if it is an exfoliator and is intensive, so you don't want to exfoliate your skin and then step outside in the sun when your skin is exfoliated. I think this is valued at $85. $85, guys. Pretty expensive. So that just this product alone beats the price of what you guys pay for this full box. Product is Hip Dot Xeon eyeshadow palette. Oh, we're going with the palette already. Here it is. This pigment palette. Just one look at Utah sandstone caves will transport you to a world of majestic beauty. Ooh, this is, I like this one, guys. The back. Oh, this is so nice. Ooh, this palette. Oh, it's pretty, guys. I like it. Oh, yeah. But look, guys, look at these colors. I don't know if the lighting does it justice, but they are so pretty. Ooh, these are cute. It had some shimmery ones, like metallic matte color, but really reds, purples. Ooh, I like this. And oranges. So this is a cute palette. It's valued at $30. $30. Not so bad. Alright, guys, next is the Persona Cosmetics Season 1 Lip Gloss. So I'm guessing, yes, it's this one right here. And this is color Honey Gloss, the color right there. Ooh, I shouldn't have put lipstick on so I could try this on. So this is it. Valued at $16. So I'm actually gonna apply this one to my wrist just to see the color. Ooh. It's nice and it applies smoothly. It smells so good, guys. I don't know if you guys can see. But I don't know if it will look good with my skin tone color. I don't know, but yes, this is the Persona lip gloss in color Honey, valued at $16. Not bad. Next is Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. So yep, it's this one right here. I'm gonna open this up. Here it is, Fenty Beauty, and in the back it says the highlighter duo afternoon snack and Mohani. I mean. We're gonna open this up. Oops. And there it is. And this is valued at $36. $36, guys. The packaging is pretty cute, so it's super protective. The next product is Milk Makeup, which is this one right here. Milk Makeup, and I think this is the one. Yeah, this is the one I chose from when BoxyLuxe comes around. You are able to choose a product. They give you, I think, 4 choices, and you choose one, whichever you want. So I chose this one because I'm always late to those. I'm always late, so I'm left with 3 options, and this was the best one. And this is valued at $36. It's an overnight solid serum that rejuvenates, hydrates, and calms, so you wake up visibly bouncier, smoother, to more refreshed looking skin. And it's this right here. Yeah, it has its little cap. Oh, it smells good. But I'll definitely be trying this out because your girl needs some beauty sleep and she doesn't get it. So she got some ugly bags. So this is valued at, where is it? $36. So, and it's, for it being this size, I hope it does what it says it does, and it helps. And it's actually good because $36 is expensive for this little thing. Just like the highlighter too. Next is the the Complexion Authority Signature Travel Essential 12-piece cruelty-free brush set. So this is valued at $49. $49, which is this baby right here. 12. Oh, these are so pretty, guys. Ooh. These brushes, 12p. The cute packaging, well, not packaging, a cute little travel kit. So whenever you go out and you don't know where to put your brushes, or you don't want to mix them all up, this is cute for it. Put these there and let's go. And if these brushes in the long run, you know, they just get old and this is still good, you could go ahead and put your new brushes right here and let's go. So this is valued, like I said, at $49. A 12-piece brush. Last but not least is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, a 5-pack. And this is valued, when I saw the price right now that I was looking through this, I was like, this is way too expensive. I would not buy this. Personally, would not buy this. This is valued at $135. You know, looking at other products, this is actually cheap. I don't know, but this is expensive. Let's see what it does. For it to be this expensive, let's see. The Ultimate Pre-Event Mask This hydrogel formula intenses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. I guess. Let's open it up. This is how they look. But yeah. And lastly, for sure, is the Skisher Ice Roller. So this ice roller is valued at $18. It's made of stainless steel, helps calm inflammation, increase blood flow, alleviates sore muscles, tension, and headaches. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.